Ryan here. For Silly Reviews, we've got some Jay Leno's Garage car care products. Got an interior detailer, some tire shine, and a quick detailer to get all aspects of your car clean. Jay Leno Garage. Let's review it. So we're going to do some scientific testing, but first we're going to do an unboxing, okay? Now, you don't get those microfiber towels. Those are my towels. I brought those in preparation. But you do get a nice microfiber towel to go along with your interior detailer. You also get a tire shine block deal that you'll see in just a moment. That's the tire shine. That's that little detailing block to apply that tire shine and apply it on, you can put that on some rubber pieces and plastic as well. Nice dark microfiber towel. Help you get the job done. Probably going to need more than one. That's why I brought some extras. And that right there is a quick detailer. And what I can tell you about these off the bat, oops, because I've already opened them. And I took a big whiff. And I tell you what, guys, the color of these things, they look like they would smell if they smelled like fruity like their colors. It's interesting. It's a Caribbean type scent on all of them. And it's really nice. I don't know how much that matters though. Take a closer look. Interior detailer. Restores, protects. Gives you that luster. Safe for all interior surfaces. Then you got the tire shine for the wet look. The high gloss formula provides shine and UV protection. Then you got the quick detailer. Provides maximum shine. Advanced polymer formula. Very cool. That's your little tire shine applicator. So I just used some tape here to show you side A and side B. One side, we're not going to add anything to it. The other side is going to have some Jay Leno's Garage products. So first up, we're going to use this quick detailer. Instructions are simple. Spray it on. You kind of buff it on a little bit. And then you just wipe it off after. It's really easy. That's it. Flip that towel, wipe it off. Look at that shine. Nice shine, and again, nice smell. If people want to walk by your car and they want to smell it, they're going to like what they smell. That's a fact. Next up, we're going to try the Jay Leno's Garage tire shine. Going to add a piece of tape. We're going to use the applicator. Going to spray some on the applicator. If you're wondering if it's thin or if it's thick, it's a little on the thin side. You can see how runny it is. We're also going to spray some directly on the tire because we're really trying to get that high gloss. We're just going to rub it into that tire. You can see the left side is going to have the Jay Leno's Garage tire shine. Again, scientific testing, people. Always doing scientific testing here at Silly Reviews. So let's zoom in. You can see on the left of the tape that the Jay Leno is shining. It's glossy. The right side, it's looking too dull. Way dull. Lame. And it smells good. Your tires smell good. Again, if people like their tires to smell good, it's going to smell great. Now, for the interior detailer, I forgot to bring my keys with me to open the car. So on the back of this car, they have this plastic trim, this plastic accent. And you're going to find this similarly on the interior of the car. So I figured this would be a good way to test it out. On the left of the tape, you can see we're applying the interior detailer, the Jay Leno's Garage interior detailer. And look at the difference. Look at the difference. The left side definitely has a criminal history. The right side, not so much. So overall, pretty good stuff. I really like it. I love the way it smells. If you're into really good smelling car care, then you're really gonna like this. So I'm Ryan. Please like, subscribe, share. I appreciate everyone watching. And this was filmed right before Christmas, so Merry Christmas.